Still digging holes and pouring concrete? There's a better way. With J-Vise screw piles, you get a fast, accurate, fully adjustable foundation system built for real jobs on site. What makes it different? You're not boxed into one setup. One system, 5 versatile head options, built for real jobs on site. Install aluminium posts straight into the ground. No digging, no concrete. Use the flat plate for anchor jack or similar pedestal systems to get precise leveling on raised decks. Or run it for timber fence posts, giving you fast install and full adjustability so everything lines up perfectly. For structural builds, our patent-pending swivel head bracket is designed for accurate timber construction, adjusting easily to suit your levels and angles on site. The L bracket is perfect for smaller decks, cabins, and containers, while the Bearer bracket handles larger decks and removable homes with ease. And for builds over 600mm off the ground, we've got engineered bracing options to keep everything solid and compliant. No curing time, no mess. And best of all, install it yourself. Drill hire available. Just screw it in, level it up, and build. Always check your ground conditions for suitability. For specs, technical support, or to get started, reach out to the team.